So let's start by preparing the meat. Make cuts in the meat to prevent it from curling during cooking. And now tenderize it through a sheet of parchment paper. Keep going until the meat's about 3 or 4 millimeters thick. Then it will be nice and soft. You can also make this dish with beef or slices of chicken breast instead of veal if you prefer. Now to make the sauce, crush a clove of garlic and add it to the pan where you've already heated a little oil. Now pour in the tomato puree. Then add a little water just to clean out the jug. And leave to simmer over low heat for 15 minutes. When the sauce has reduced, you can remove the garlic. Add salt to taste, pepper, and dried oregano. Then you can add the slices of meat, which you can cut in half to make it easier. Leave the slices of veal to cook for 2 minutes on one side and 2 on the other. For a more Mediterranean flavor, just add some onions, capers, and olives to your sauce. Now the meat's cooked, we're ready to serve. Now let's taste. Carne alla pizzaiola. Now that brings back memories.
Ciao!